How in the world did you get that bad? Girl, you ain't supposed to be the shit like that.
What's up, everybody? It's your girl, That Chick Chrissy. Once again, we're here at Toll's. Waka Flocka tour is killing it right now. You guys are killing them. This is KO Red, everybody. You want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, I'm KO Red, you know, the Rich Squad, Monopoly, Jacket. That's about it. Follow me on my Twitter at KAYOREDD before we keep going on with this.
Now, you're fam, right?
Yes.
You're Waka's brother?
I'm Waka's artist. Talent speaks for itself.
Right. But I was gonna ask though. So you've been doing this with him for a while.
I've been doing this since I was like 15, 16.
Okay.
Like I started on the road as juice hyping.
Okay. Do you feel like what you're bringing to the table is different, or do you guys feel you have kind of a similar style?
With me and Waka?
Yeah.
Like we got the same and different style. Like it's the same but it's different. So it's like both.
You get a little bit of mix.
Yeah, it's like we got the same stuff, but we don't. It's like it's in the middle of it. We got similar.
Now the good thing, whether he's your brother, whether he's just, you know, another artist, however you look at it, if you're rocking out with him, then you're obviously learning from a lot of what he's doing, both the good and the bad.
Sure.
Okay, so with that being said, are there things that you know because of that you definitely don't want to do?
Yeah, I started doing music 2 years ago. So what I did was not rush the game, but learn the game. So I was watching what they was doing wrong and what they was doing right. So I don't make the same mistakes and go through the same problems as them.
What's the thing that you learned though that really, because like with Waka, you know, he always said that he's kind of in the studio and he was doing it for fun and it just came naturally to him.
Yeah.
Do you find that that's true with you, or are you really kind of focusing and concentrating on what you're doing?
I'm actually trying to focus on what I want to do because it's like music has genres, right? If you want to say it or not, music have their own genres, rap, rock, whatever it is. Everybody have their own genre. Like I consider myself as an energy rapper. So my music, I'm not a lyrical artist. I call my music rocky because it's guitars and a lot of bass.
Nice.
My music is energy. It's not focused on lyrics. It's focused on my energy and what I'm bringing to the track and the beat.
Okay, and then, you know, I was talking a lot earlier about how when music shifts, you know, from West Coast, East Coast, down South, being that you guys, you know, kind of doing the down South thing. Now, you're the youngest, right? So you mostly seen Atlanta? You didn't see a lot of New York?
Nah, I really did. To be honest, I came to Georgia at like 5 or 6, so I'm like,
yeah, so
I'm from Georgia, but I was born in New York.
Okay, so with that being said, are you guys talking, because I mean your mother's a brilliant woman, so have you guys talked about your plans to stay relevant when the music does shift from down south?
To be honest, nah, because I think we created a sound, so it's not gonna go away because we bringing another element to us. So it's like Brick Squad, it's not like we really have one style of music. It's just like it's just starting to get out there now. But we got a lot of style of music, lots of styles of music that's with us. So it's just not one style of music.
Right. What do you have coming up? Your projects coming up?
I dropped Wine That's 4-Time Grind on live mixtapes. Wine That's the Rise of the Psycho Soldier on live mixtapes. That was my first mixtape. That's it. I just been working. I got a producer mixtape coming up too called Sasha the Man Tracks with Southside. That's my CEO. That's the other one guy.
Okay. And where can they find you?
You can find me on Twitter at KAYOREDD. Get me on my YouTube too, so subscribe me at KAYOREDD. That's K Red Dread.
Red Dread?
Yeah.
D-R-E-D. Is that what you said? D-R-E. Okay. Just want to make sure everybody hits it. Make sure you guys follow him.
I did. She got me.
Click on the videos, watch the videos, give them the views, enjoy the music, and anything last words?
Oh yeah, just want to official video Project BSM is out. Go get that, check that out on YouTube. It's epic, man. Why that's his movie, young and successful.
That Chick Chrissy breaking all the rules, please.
Squad.
It's That Chick Chrissy. Don't let the blue eyes and the light skin fool you. I'm the prettiest pit bull you've ever seen. Pink, I'm that chick, and here's why.
How in the world did you get that bad? Girl, you ain't supposed to be the shit like that. How you gon' so hard, but your body's so soft. I love